Today we're going to revisit me driving my M3 in the snow. I made a couple of videos on it in the past, but since I've gotten a lot of new subscribers, I wanted to sort of refresh that clip. But we're going to test two things first. We're going to do a test of me trying to climb up this little hill without any weight. And then we're going to put some weight in the trunk to see if that makes any difference. And this is what I'm going to be using to add the extra weight. 2 bags of this 60-pound each all-weather blacktop patch, which I use to patch up this area here. But it's going to be an extra 122 pounds in the trunk. We-wheel drive cars, you have to have dedicated set of snow tires. Otherwise, you won't be able to move. The beauty of an M3 is you have a limited slip diff, so both wheels are providing traction, even if one spins. With an open diff, only one wheel spins, and then you're stuck. So the beauty, again, of having a performance vehicle, usually you have limited slip diff, and you have more traction in the snow. Before we can get started, first thing you want to do is you want to take the traction control completely off. Now, I say completely because you don't want anything interfering with your wheel spin. You want to be able to control your wheel spin with your right foot alone. If you have traction control on, the computer or the car will kick in automatically. It'll cut power when you least expect it, and it's not going to be a sort of a very controlled drive. So you want to disable traction control, disable stability control, and you are in control in those slippery conditions. Stuck. Oh, I'm slowly moving. I'm slowly moving. I'm moving. This is crazy. I'm moving. Alright, I'm stuck now. Alright, as you could tell, I didn't get too far. I got up my driveway all the way up to here, and I got stuck here. Even though it looks semi-flat, it's not. It's a bit slippery up here, and it hill continues up here, and it flattens out here, and then hill continues up there. But again, this is how far I was able to get without any weight in the trunk. And at the same time, we were able to do some plowing. With the car being this low, I do a lot of plowing with this lip. If you are wondering what lip this is called lightweight lip. It is sold by a lot of manufacturers out there, but it's made out of, I think, polyurethane plastic. So it's super, super durable. I scrape it all the time, but it never breaks. 2 bags are in the trunk, which means we've got 120 extra pounds in the back. Now, to get the most traction, you want to put it as much to the back as possible to get as much of the weight in the back as possible. As you could see, with just 120 extra pounds in the trunk, I was able to get up this hill. Not only that, I will now try to see if I can get going from here all the way to the top. Again, it may look flattish on camera, but I promise you there's a hill up there. And then later we'll try the other side of the driveway, which has a steeper hill, to see how far up that driveway we can get up. I mean, you still have to be smart when you drive, even with extra weight in the trunk. A lot of times you have to use momentum to get yourself going. Now, I'm parked on a hill. Even with the extra weight in the trunk, I'm gonna have trouble moving. Watch what happens when I have some momentum added to it. So this is the other side of the driveway. There was a FedEx truck that actually was able to get up here before me, and he actually got stuck up there. So let's see if I can get up here without getting my car stuck. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this was a very unscientific test, but now it's time to go for a drive to see if we can find any snowy patches. Okay, I hope I don't regret this decision. Oh, actually, ugh, it's a very, and I mean a very, very steep hill in front of me, and if I don't make it, I'll be sliding down. Oh my god, 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 woo! Okay, so I did make it up this hill. Crap. Well, how am I gonna get down? Oh crap, so this is all icy. This is all icy. And I know there's a steeper hill up there. Do I dare to go up this hill? Do I? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay, so no cars in front of me, no cars in the back. I'm gonna try to find as much of an asphalt patch as possible, get a bit of momentum going. Now, I don't want to go too fast because I also don't want to lose steering. But, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. This road is closed for a reason. I wish I could show on camera how steep this is. I'm blowing through this stop sign because I simply cannot stop. Woo-hoo-hoo! We did it! All right, I'm not gonna lie. This was quite scary. You saw how the tires were spinning. There was very limited traction, but we still got up there. Whoa! All right, let's continue. All-wheel drive. All these cars that are passing me are all-wheel drive vehicles for a reason. I mean, this is a very hilly, and now what appears to be icy. Oh my gosh, this is all ice. This is pure ice, and a front-wheel drive Honda. Haha, guy giving me thumbs up. Yeah. Oh my, see, look, you add just a bit of gas and the car slips. The fact that I don't have front-wheel drive, or the fact that it's not an all-wheel drive vehicle, means that I cannot pull myself out of these sticky situations. So when you're turning, you have to make sure your car can turn. Otherwise, your backup plan is always to turn with your throttle, which means your back sticks out and it kind of puts you in the right direction, and then you go. That takes time and a lot of practice. One thing I forgot to mention as I was talking about the car setup, having rev matching helps tremendously to make those shifts a bit crispier. You don't want to have a rough shift when you're upshifting or downshifting, because that can upset the car. So having automatic rev matching is crucial in these situations. Obviously, when you have an automatic transmission car, that does not matter. But with a manual, if you are not very good at heel and towing, auto rev matching works wonders. All right, we're gonna slow down now. I hope you enjoyed this quick clip, and I hope some of the tips I provide you with have been helpful. If you have any questions, comments, leave them down below. Maybe give me thumbs up if you like this video, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Woo! I see, 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 I see. Oh my god. Control the car, perfect. Whew.